Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing an iPhone. This is supposed to be an iPhone 12 running iOS 15. So I plan to put a Troll Store on it, an App Store plus plus, so I can install some old apps and stuff. So, let's see if I got scammed. No, probably not. I made sure everything's okay. There's hair on it. Let's see. I got a case. So let's see what's in here. Okay, another piece of bubble wrap. Man, oh wow, this thing is really tight. Let's see. And and another one. This should be the last one. And there's the iPhone 12. Here's the iPhone 12. It's got a screen protector on it. And let's check. I always check. Let's see if there's a SIM card up in this piece. Nope. The answer is no. Okay. Looks to be in good condition. It's not bent. It's not. I don't see any dents or anything. There's the 5G. There's some scratches. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay. Now, before we go any further, I am gonna wipe it off because I don't know where it's been. Wet ones. Let's wipe this thing off, make it nice and clean because I don't know where it's been. Get it nice and clean. Charging port looks really clean. This was just delivered about 30 minutes ago. I'm gonna leave the screen protector on for obvious reasons. Okay, nice and clean, nice and clean. Okay, moment of truth. What we're gonna do here. Also, I used my jerry-rig knife to open it. Battery's dead. So let's actually put the let's get this case on here. Why is that not fitting? What? It doesn't fit. It fits weird. And then right here, this is my iPhone SE. It was free. So I will be back when this phone turns on. I don't like this case. Look at the way it shows the frame. It doesn't really line up with the camera. It says 12 and 12 Pro. Candy Shell Pro. More like Candy Shell doesn't fit correctly. It says it has MagSafe. Okay, the phone is booting. And it just turned on. And you can tell this is 100% iOS. See, this is a no-no. Absolutely not. No. Let's see. Okay, shut up then. Okay, let's see. 128 gigabyte. General. No SIM restrictions. Good. Battery health is 90%. And general, it is running 15.6.1. Nobody's signed in. I'm gonna connect this to Wi-Fi. First thing we're gonna do is turn off automatic updates if it is on. Off. No, it's downloading. No, nope. Okay, so I need to keep iOS 18 from downloading, or this phone's useless to me. It says downloading. Let's not let that happen. Delete. I told it to delete it. Delete it. Go away. We don't want you. It's gone. Okay. This cannot update. This cannot update. This cannot update. This cannot update. Nope. There. It's not downloading anymore. Perfect. So this is all off. Okay. That was the first obstacle. We need to ignore that. We don't want this to update. You know what? Is that the screen protector or is that the screen? Well, now it has boobs. Hold on. Display and brightness, turn that off. There's still a weird effect. Auto lock 2 minutes. Okay, well, general. Now, let's check something else. Okay, let's see. Allow. Trust. I bought an album earlier. Okay, let's see. Coconut battery. Okay, the battery has 170 charge cycles, 91% health, it says. Manufactured, it looks like September of 2021. It is 1,786 days old by Huapu Technology. So this was a later purchased iPhone. It was manufactured November 29th, 2021. I hate the screen protector, I'll be honest. Let's see how it is underneath. Oh wow. Spotless. I think this was never used without a screen protector, honestly. I hate this case, but that's just a different problem. This screen is absolutely... Look at that. This thing was used with a screen protector the whole time. Cool. This case is going back. I hate this case. I'm sorry. Terrible. I can get a better case than that. Okay. They're looking good, yeah. Charging port's in good shape. Charges. Yeah, there's not a scratch on this screen without a screen protector. This thing is in perfect. There's a little bit of gunk in the speakers and microphone, but I can get that out with a toothbrush. Look at that. This thing is immaculate. That wiped off too. Nothing. So, when I first unboxed it and got on Wi-Fi, it wanted to download iOS. It was downloading iOS 18. And I'm very glad that I caught that. So none of this is downloading at all. And I will not let it. So this is great. 15.6.1 iOS or iPhone 12. I have to find a better case because I don't like this case at all. It doesn't fit right. That's going back. I better get my money back because that's just ridiculous. Wow, so other than it trying to update itself, it's all good. So I'm gonna put this thing, I'm gonna install all the stuff I want on it. I'm gonna put Troll Store, I'm gonna put App Store ++, and get a better case that kind of matches with the white screen. And I think we'll be good. This is actually not much smaller than my current phone at all. My current phone's an iPhone 17 Pro. And I actually like the feeling of this one better. I don't know why, I just do. But here's its size comparison to an SE3. This was free. I didn't pay anything for it. This has 99% battery health, but it is on the latest software, so I can't really do anything fun with it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll update this on this phone. I'm gonna clean the earpiece and stuff. And it's unlocked too. I can put any SIM card I want in this piece. Okay. And there's literally no damage. The back has some scratches, I think. Yeah, the back has some scratches. Cameras are perfect. It's definitely been used in a case. At least for a good portion of its life. And eventually I'll have to put a new battery in it. But for now, it's fine. If I have problems, I'll look into opening it up, putting a battery in it. Which I've done to this design. I've done to an iPhone 8 a couple months ago.